Welcome to our Java 17 tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will explore a powerful feature introduced in Java 17, records. Our focus is on creating a Java record for a car and understanding how records differ from previous Java versions. We will also delve into the crucial concept of immutability and how records ensure data safety. Let's transition into our first topic. Getting started with creating a car record. Records are a groundbreaking feature in Java 17, designed to simplify data modeling. They offer a concise and powerful way to define classes for holding data. With records, you can define a data structure with its attributes, known as components, in a more streamlined manner. To create a car record, we define the class like this. In this record class, like this. In this record class, we specify its name, car, and its components, make, model, and year. Each component represents an attribute of the car, and their types are specified. In this example, we have make, a string, represents the car's manufacturer or brand. Model, a string, represents the car's model name. Year, an integer, represents the manufacturing year of the car. What's fascinating is that records automatically generate essential methods for us, including constructors. Records automatically generate a constructor that takes parameters for each component. In the case of our car record, it provides a constructor that allows you to create a new car instance by specifying values for make, model, and year. Equals method. The equals method is automatically generated and allows you to compare two car instances for equality based on their attribute values. hashCode method. The hashCode method generates a unique integer code for each car instance, which is crucial for data structures like hash tables. toString method. The toString method generates a human-readable representation of a car instance, making it easier for developers to understand the content of the record. Creating a car record is as simple as defining the class with its components, and records take care of the rest. These generated methods streamline your code and enhance productivity, making records a powerful addition to Java 17. With that said, let us move on to the next step. Instantiating a car record. Creating an instance of the car record is similar to working with traditional classes. Let us define a specific car with its make, model, and year. Here, we create an instance of our car record. We specify the make as Toyota. Model as Camry, and year as 2023. Accessing record values is straightforward. You don't need explicit getter methods. Let's retrieve and display the car's make, model, and year. In this part, we access and display the values, make, model, and year, of our car record instance without using explicit getter methods. Now, as we smoothly transition, let's delve into the generated equals, hashCode, and toString and toString methods. Exploring the generated equals, hashCode, and toString methods. We've touched upon these methods earlier, but it's important to emphasize their significance. The equals method allows easy comparison between records. hashCode enables efficient storage and retrieval. and a string simplifies the process of displaying records in a human-writable format. Now, as we move forward, let's take a moment to understand the importance of immutability in records. Understanding the importance of immutability in records, records in Java are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed after they are created. This immutability is crucial for ensuring data safety and predictability in your code. Once a record is created, its values remain constant, enhancing the reliability of your applications. And now, let's transition to our final topic: updating record values. To update a record's values, you create a new instance with the desired changes. This approach maintains data integrity and adheres to the principles of immutability. Let's demonstrate how to update a record's values while respecting its immutability. In this example, we create a new car instance with a different make and model while keeping the year unchanged. This demonstrates how records maintain their immutability while allowing for updates. Records, introduced in Java 17, offer a more concise and robust approach to data modeling. They ensure immutability, providing data safety, predictability, and simplifying your data-related tasks. By automatically generating essential methods, records enhance your productivity and make Java programming even more efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy coding and